Lexus Inform Wi-Fi in-vehicle trial activation. To use Wi-Fi in your Lexus, you'll need to complete the activation of your Wi-Fi trial subscription by visiting the Verizon sign-up page on your paired compatible mobile device. With the vehicle turned on, press the menu button on the remote touchpad. Select Setup. In the submenu on the left side of the display, scroll past the blue arrows for more options, and then choose Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi on. On a compatible device, go to your settings and select Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi on and select the wireless access point name. On the multimedia screen, scroll to Password and select it. The system will display a password. To see the password, turn Show Characters on. Below, you can change the system-generated password or continue to use it. Enter the password on your compatible device. Note that it is case-sensitive. Press Join. Once connected, a Verizon login screen will appear. Select Connect and Continue. Then, start trial. Enter your personal information. Select Next. Please note, 4 GB of data, or 1 year, is included in the trial period. After reading the fine print screen, selecting Next will complete the process. Verizon will send emails regarding your trial status. Once the trial period ends, a contract with Verizon will be necessary to continue using the vehicle's Wi-Fi feature. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.